How to configure dlink extender with dlinkap.local. Plug the DAP1520 into a wall outlet within wireless range of your router. Open the wireless utility on your computer, select the name, SSID, of the DAP1520 network, and enter the password. Both of these are found on the included Wi-Fi configuration card. Then open a web browser and enter http://dlinkap.local into the address bar. You can also use the IP address http://192.168.0.50. The default username is admin and the password is to be left blank. Click Login. Click Setup Wizard. Click Next. To set up your network manually, select the second option from the Setup Wizard menu. Click Next to continue. Select the wireless network that you wish to use as your uplink source from the list by clicking on it. Enter the password for your uplink network. Click Next to continue. An SSID and password will automatically be generated for both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. The setup process is now complete. A summary page will appear showing the settings for both the connection to the uplink router and the extended Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.